Hello everyone, my name is Amarii Mbabazi, 9 years old, a farmer, and I'm from Wakiso district, Kabulengwa village and Nasana municipality. My activities are tree planting, training farmers with modern skills. Tree planting, I plant trees to encourage slum youth to plant trees to make money off recycling trees. And I also do sensitization, and I also do training of farmers with modern skills because this project involves creating opportunities for young people of recycling. And today I would most likely want to talk about soil. Soil is a very important natural resource. Plants grow from soil. Plants grow from soil, and people use many kinds of plants for food. So I also have plants in our garden. We have skuma wiki, groundnuts. We also have the passion fruit over there. When I'm harvesting the passion fruits, I go with my bag. And the best soil for growing crops is loam soil because it has a lot of humus. I think that because a person of my age would encourage the big people to also plant trees, because when we plant trees we get money. When we plant trees we are making our soil fertile. When we plant trees we are saving the earth. Soil is a very important natural resource. Plants need soil to grow. People use many kinds of plants for food. Every day we use many things that were grown in soil. Most soil has matter that was once living. The remains of dead plants and animals have become part of the soil. When this happens, many useful materials are returned to the soil. The plant and animal matter found in soil is called humus. Humus is found in the top layer of soil. This layer of soil is called topsoil. Humus helps topsoil to hold water. Plants grow well in topsoil that has a lot of humus. Seeds have many different shapes and sizes, but all seeds are alike in one way: they can produce new plants. Each seed has a cover called the seed coat. Inside the seed is a small plant. The plant has a tiny root, stem and leaf. There is also stored food in the seed. A seed can produce a new plant only if it germinates. When the tiny plant inside begins to grow, this happens only when the conditions are right. As the tiny plant grows, it uses the stored food in the plant that has grown leaves. It will make its own food. An important part of being healthy is eating the right food. It's important that you have all 6 kinds of nutrients every day. Have you ever heard someone say, "You are what you eat"? The food that you eat really becomes part of you. This is why eating good is important. Some foods give your body the energy it needs. Other foods are important for keeping muscles and bones strong. Some foods help your body to grow and to repair itself. How do you get food? Which food to eat? How do you get food? We get food by cultivating land. And which food to eat? We should eat the food that is rich in vitamins and proteins. And which food is healthy and not healthy to eat? Fast foods are not healthy to eat, while vegetables are healthy. The food you eat is important to your body in many ways. Food provides the energy you need for everything you do. We use energy while reading, a lot more energy when you jump or run. You even use energy when you sleep. This energy comes from food. There is energy in all foods. But some foods with a lot of energy are potatoes, bread, raisins, fruits, and cheese. You should eat foods like this when you are very active. When you are not very active, use vegetables such as lettuce and tomatoes. They have less energy. The food you eat contains many things. The parts of the food that help your body grow and give you energy are nutrients. There are 6 main kinds of nutrients: sugar and starch, fat, protein, vitamins, mineral salts, and water. Sugar and starch give your body quick energy. Apple, bananas, or oranges, honey, and other sweet foods contain sugar. Bread, potatoes, and noodles. Cassava, yams, maize have starch. All these foods give you energy. You need to work and play. Sugar and starch that are not used for energy are stored as fat. Fat also has a lot of energy. Fat has more than twice as much energy as sugar or starch. Your body stores the fat it does not use. This stored fat can be used when your body needs extra energy. Stored fat also helps to keep your body warm. Having too much fat stored in your body is not healthy. Butter, cheese, nuts, and milk have fat. Protein is needed for your muscles, bones, and other body parts to grow. While you are young and growing, you need lots of protein. Since you cannot store protein, you should eat foods that have protein every day. Meat, eggs, beans, and cheese are foods that have protein. Minerals help your body rebuild worn out parts as well. Certain minerals help build strong bones and teeth. They are food in milk, cheese, and vegetables. Iron is an important mineral. It's important for health, blood. Vitamins help your body to work the way it should. You need many different kinds of vitamins. Most vitamins are named after letters of alphabet. All foods have vitamins. There is more than one kind of vitamin B in leafy vegetables. Egg and milk have some of the vitamin B. The vitamin B group is important for growth and energy. Passional fruits, oranges, and other fruits have vitamin C that helps to keep you healthy. Vitamin D in milk helps your teeth and bones stay strong. Water is a very important nutrient. You should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water. Water is also found in milk of fruit juice and vegetables. You cannot live without water. Over a half your body is made out of water. It is important that you have all 6 kinds of nutrients each day. We have plants like skuma wiki is there. We have cassava. No, cassava is not there. We have pepper. We have hot pepper. There are some plants that take a lot of time, like 1 year. They are perennial and annual crops. I plant the crops on weekends and I go to school on weekdays. I go to Baraka Community School. It's located here in Kabulengwa. I would also like to give my advice to fellow children. It is our responsibility as young children to take care of our vulnerable elders. I think that most of us have never seen manure. And here I have my natural manure that I'm going to show you. It's cow dung. I dry my cow dung over here and then I put it on the crops. Then I also have a passion fruit here. This is the way they grow passion fruit. I'm also going to show you the way they harvest passion fruit. Passion fruits are rich in vitamins. Passion fruits, you can sell passion fruits and get money. I would also like to show you how to harvest passion fruits. to be careful because this passion fruit is a habitat for many animals. There can be snakes, snails, and caterpillars. That is why it is good to plant trees. You are making habitats for other animals. I would also like to ask you, what have you learned from my session? Okay, here we do subsistence farming. Yes.
Okay.
And most people are wondering, what is subsistence farming? Subsistence farming is the growing of crops, but the surplus for sale. And I also have asparagus here. Asparagus is a new crop. Most of us don't know it. Asparagus is good for people who are diabetic, who have pressure, and who have cancer. This thing that I'm touching here is the one that they eat. These ones just to grow, and then they get old. But then this part is what the one they eat. Asparagus is good for our health. We also have okra. Okra is very good for people's health. Okra, we drink okra and then we get proteins. Okra is very good for our health. It also helps people who are diabetic. This part is the one we eat on radish. This white thing, this white thing over here, this one is the one they eat. This one. And we have carrots. Carrots are very rich in vitamin A. They help people with poor eyesight.
Okay.
Also have onions here. We use these onions to cook rice and any other type of food. The carrots are still young, that's why I can't harvest them and I show them to you.